Good morning to one and all. See, in this today's live lecture, we shall study the problems based on the variations. Problems based on the variations. That is a variational problem. Actually, in this third chapter, in this third unit, we are here. We have to solve the simple variational problems. Up till we have studied what is meant by functional, linear functional, extremum of a functional, fundamental lemma of a calculus of a variation. In the last lecture yesterday we have seen the Euler's equation. Today we shall solve the problems based on the simple variational problems, that is the problems based on this. Okay, now we shall move towards this. You know that the functional j of y of x, which is equals to integral from a to b f of x comma y dash dx has a extremum if it satisfies the Euler's equation dou f by dou y minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash, which is equals to 0. Similarly, we can write this equation, that is f suffix y minus d by dx of f suffix y dash is equals to 0. This is the equation of a functional. These are the different conditions, or these are the note we have studied. This is the first theorem, theorem on variation, fundamental theorem on calculus of a variation. Now we shall start, we shall move towards the problems based on this. Okay. Now, first problems. स्टुडंट्स ऑनलाइन आहेत का? थांबा मी जरा स्क्रीनशॉट घेतो, कोण कोण ऑनलाइन आहेत पहा. Now see here, we shall discuss this first problem. First, find the curve on which the functional j of y of x, which is equals to integral from 0 to 1 y dash square plus 12xy dx with y of 0 is equals to 0, comma y of 1 is equals to 1 can be extreme. See, this can be extreme value, can be extreme. Okay, now we have to find out the curve. We have to find out the curve of this functional which has extreme value, and we have given the initial condition of that curve is y of 0 is equals to 0, and the boundary second condition y of 1 is equals to 1. Integral j of y of x is equals to integral from 0 to 1 y dash square plus 12xy dx. So answer, solution. Now we have to solve this. Here the given functional is j of y of x is equals to integral from 0 to 1 y dash square plus 12xy into dx. Suppose this is a 1, and you know that the condition for the functional j of y of x is equals to integral from a to b f of x comma y dash dx is fy minus d by dx of fy dash, which is equals to 0. So first of all, here we have to consider the function, and with the condition y of 0 is equals to 0, comma y of 1 is equals to 1 be the extreme condition. Extreme condition. So extremum condition. Okay. Now let we consider this function as a functional, that is f. We consider f of x comma y dash, which is considered as a y dash square plus 12xy. This is the functional we have to consider. याला आपण functional consider केला. f of x comma y dash is equals to y dash square plus 12xy. Now if we differentiating with respect to x, suppose this is the second. Now differentiating partially with respect to y, because we have required, what we have required? Fy and fy dash, then we can use the Euler's equation. So we can write, therefore differentiating partially with respect to y, so f suffix y of x comma y dash, which is equals to, आता डेरिवेटिव सांगा रे, we have to take the derivative with respect to y of y dash square plus 12xy, so 0 plus y dash square चा derivative with respect to y is 0 plus 12x into y चा derivative 1. So we can write f suffix y, which is equals to 12x. Suppose this is equation number 3. Also, again what we have to calculate? We have to calculate fy dash, also differentiating 2. याला पण 2 दिलेला आहे. Differentiating 2 इथं वाटलं तर लिहा partially with respect to y dash. So we can write fy dash of x comma y dash, which is equals to, सांगा रे काय येतो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह? We have to differentiate this with respect to y dash. So f suffix y dash of x comma y dash equals to y dash square चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह येतो 2y dash plus remaining term 0, because we are differentiating with respect to y dash. There is only one term of a y dash. Remaining terms are x and y. So its derivative with partially with respect to y dash is 0. So we can write 2y dash. So therefore fy dash, which is equals to 2y dash. Suppose this is equation number 2. But we know that by the Euler's equation, by the Euler condition, what is that condition, Euler's condition? By the Euler's equation, but we have, by the Euler's equation, what is that Euler's equations here? Fy minus d by dx of fy dash, which is equals to 0. Put the value of fy means 12x minus d by dx of fy dash means 2y dash, which is equals to 0. So again differentiate this 12x minus 2y dash derivative 2y double dash, which is equals to 0. So we can write 2y double dash minus 12x, which is equals to 0. So y double dash minus 6x, which is equals to 0. So we can write this as y double dash equals to 6x. Now we have to find out the curve. Actually we have to find out the equation of a curve whose extreme values are given. Curve means actually y of x. What we have to calculate? We have to find out the equation of a curve, and equation of a curve means actually we have to find out y of x. बट हमारे पास देखो यहाँ पे y डबल डैश ऑफ x है, लेकिन हमें y ऑफ x कैलकुलेट करना है, डबल डेरिवेटिव निकालना है, तो इसका हमें 2 टाइम्स इंटिग्रेशन लेना होता है. एक्चुअली वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कर्व. कर्व मीन्स y ऑफ x फाइंड आउट करायचं, आणि y ऑफ x फाइंड आउट करायचं म्हणजेच okay. So we can integrating with respect to x. So we consider this as a suppose equation number, which is that equation 5. आता इसे घ्या, integration of y double dash dx which is equals to integration of 6x dx. y डबल डॅश चे इंटिग्रेशन काय होतं, y डॅश विच इज इक्वल्स टू 6 एज इट इज कॉन्स्टंट कोइशंट. x चं इंटिग्रेशन काय येतं रे सांगा, 6x चं इंटिग्रेशन काय येतं, x चं इंटिग्रेशन x स्क्वेअर बाय 2 प्लस सपोज c1 दॅट इज अ y डॅश इक्वल्स टू 3x स्क्वेअर प्लस c1. सपोज दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 6. This is the y dash, but we have to find out the curve means y. So again integration, again by integrating integration of y dash dx equals to integration of 3x square plus c1 dx. Again y dash integration, y dash means derivative, so y which is equals to 3 into x square चं इंटिग्रेशन x क्यूब बाय 3. सर्वांनी आन्सर देत चला रे, फक्त सौरभ बॉडे आणि रुपाली वाघे दोघांनीच आन्सर द्यायचं, बाकीचे द्यायचं नाही का, लिहून घ्यायचं नाही कुणी सोबत, प्रत्येकाने आन्सर देत चालायचं आणि पुढच्या स्टेप काय आहेत ते सांगायचं. सायमल्टेनियसली माझ्या सोबत कुणीच लिहून घ्यायचं नाही. मी थोडं फास्ट प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करतो, तेवढ्या फास्टमध्ये लिहिणं आणि समजून घेणं होत नाही, म्हणून काय करायचं, प्रत्येकाने डायरेक्टली समजून घ्यायचं, नंतर लिहून घ्यायचं, स्क्रीनशॉट काढा किंवा व्हिडिओ रिवाइज करून लिहून घ्या, आणि समजून घेत असताना पुढच्या स्टेपचं आन्सर मला द्यायचं. प्लस c1 चं इंटिग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x इज c1 इंटू x प्लस c2. सो वी कॅन राईट धिस एज y इज इक्वल्स टू x क्यूब plus c1x plus c2. Suppose this is the equation number 7. Actually this is the required equation of the curve. But in that required equation there are two arbitrary constants c1 and c2. Two are unknown terms. To find the value of this unknown term we have given the boundary conditions, extreme conditions we have given, and that are y of 0 is equals to 0 and y of 1 is equals to 1. So actually this is y of x is equals to x cube plus c1x plus c2. So here we shall write this equation number 2. Now for x is equals to 0, so y of 0 is equals to 0 plus c1 into 0 plus c2, but y of 0 is given 0 is equals to c2, therefore c2 is equals to 0. Also this is the first extreme condition, y of 0 is equals to 0. वाटलं तर इथं कंडिशन लिहा, इथं कारण लिहा, since given that y of 0 is equals to 0. ओके, आणखी एक दिलेला आहे y of 1 is equals to 1. Also y of 1 is equals to, put x is equals to 1. Also for x is equals to 1, put x is equals to 1 in 3. So y of 1, put x is equals to 1 in equation 7. So 1 cube plus C1 into 1 plus C2. Y of 1 is given, 1 is equals to 1 plus C1 plus C2 means 0. इथं since लिहा y of 1 is equals to 1. So we can put the value C1 is equals to 0. Therefore C1 is equals to 0. Okay. Put in 7. Therefore y of x is equals to, what is that, x cube plus C1x plus C2. So y of x is equals to x cube plus 0 into x plus 0. So y of x is equals to x cube. This is the required functional. See here. See this is actually required functional. This is the required functional or required curve which satisfies the functional. This is the required function which satisfies the given functional. One for the extreme condition. So this is the required curve, y of x is equals to x square. This is the function which satisfies the given functional, or this is the required curve. Function म्हणजेच required curve which satisfies the given functional. Problem समजला का रे? आन्सर समजला का सर्वांना? See the students, process लक्षात आली का पहा? Again I shall revise this problem. Now see here. Given functional is j of y of x is equals to integral from 0 to 1 y dash square plus 12xy dx, and we have given the extremum conditions, y of 0 is equals to 0, y of 1 is equals to 1. Then we have to find out the curve. We have to find out the equation of curve which satisfies the given functional with this extremum condition. तर खूप simple problem आहे. Consider this is the given functional. Put the functional in the form of f of x comma y dash is equals to y dash square plus 12xy. So calculate fy, calculate fy dash, put the Euler's equation and write the Euler's equation, put these values of fy and fy dash, then we will get the second order differential equation. This is the second order differential equation. Now to remove this, solve this second order differential equation by taking derivative integration, first time integration, second time integration. Due to these two times integration, we will get equation of curve in terms of two integration constants C1 and C2. To find this two integration constants C1 and C2, we have given extremum condition y of 0 is equals to 0, put x is equals to 0, then y of 0 is equals to 0, C2 will be 0, C1 will be 1. So the required curve is y of x is equals to x cube. This is the required curve. Okay. So this is the required curve. Okay, next we shall move towards the second problem. Second. What is that second problem here? Find the equation of curve which makes makes the functional y of j of y of x, which is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2 y dash square minus y square into dx, comma y of 0 is equals to 0, y of pi by 2 is equals to 1, have an extremum. Actually, we have to find out the given functional, find out the equation of the curve which satisfies this functional, and having the extremum value y of 0 is equals to 0, y of 1 is equals to 1. Means we have to find out the equation of curve which satisfies this given functional. Okay. दयानंद सोमवंशी एवढ्या उशिरा नाही रे यायचं, कधीही मध्ये येऊन जॉईन व्हायचं नाही. गिवन फंक्शनल इज j of y of x, which is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2 y dash square minus y square into dx with extremum y of 0 is equals to 0, y of pi by 2 is equals to 1. Suppose this is 1. Let capital F of, capital समजा किंवा small समजा, काही अडचण नाही, small घेऊन सुद्धा करता येतं. You can use this small also. Small f of x comma y dash, which is equals to y dash square minus y square. Suppose this is a second. Differentiating, आता actually for the Euler equation we have required fy and fy dash. So differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to y. So fy of y x comma y dash, which is equals to, काय येतं रे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सांगा स्टुडंट्स. व्हॉट इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दिस f of x comma y dash चा with respect to y, means fy of x comma y dash, which is equals to y dash square चा 0, y square चा 2y. So in short we can write f suffix y is equals to minus 2y. Suppose this is 3. Also differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to y dash, सांगा रे काय येतो मग. So small f suffix y dash of x comma y dash, we can write 2y dash. So in short fy dash equals to 2y dash. Suppose this is equation number 4. Now by the Euler's equation, how we can write fy minus d by dx of fy dash equals to 0. You can use capital letter or you can use small letter, there is no problem according to our consideration of the function. If you consider here capital F, then you can use capital F. Okay. fy means 2y minus d by dx of 2y dash, which is equals to 0. So we can write 2y minus 2y is it is derivative of y dash with respect to x, again that is y double dash is equals to 0. So we can write this as y double dash plus y, which is equals to 0. This is the second order differential equation means which is as like here, which is equation number 5, which is as like d2y by dx square plus y which is equals to 0. Now how to solve this differential equation? We can't take integration here because there is no separation of y and x separately. There is no separation of the term y and x. So we can't take integration first time, integration second time. We have to solve this differential equation. We have studied in M.Sc. first year. कोण सांगता रे how to solve this differential equation? Already we have studied how to solve this differential equation in the first year ला आपण सॉल्व करायचं पाहिलेलं आहे पा सोल्यूशन. The characteristics polynomial is therefore the characteristics polynomial is r square plus 1 which is equals to 0, r square is equals to minus 1, r is equals to plus or minus root minus 1, r is equals to plus or minus I. That is r is equals to alpha plus or minus beta I. आणि जर if the roots of a characteristics polynomial are minus येतं का? Okay, very good. 1 minute कुठं मायनस येतं 2y. 1 minute see this fy means minus 2y and f double dash y means this is a minus 2y. Okay, हा minus 2y f suffix y means minus 2y, so replace this minus 2y. Okay, so if alpha is equals to r is equals to x plus beta I, then the equation solution of differential equation, what is that equation? 5 is y is equals to e raised to alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. See this is the formula. If roots are imaginary, if the roots of this characteristics equation of the differential equations are imaginary roots, that is in the form of a complex roots, that will be यालाच असं आपण लिहू शकतो पहा 0 plus or minus I. मग अल्फाची व्हॅल्यू सांगा रे स्टुडंट्स किती आहे 5. काय म्हणते इक्वेशन 5 बरोबर आहे ना? काय अडचण आहे? प्रतीक्षा चव्हाण काय म्हणते बरोबर आहे ना रे? इट इज ओके, देर इज नो प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, हे विसरला होता, मायनस विसरला होता, ठीक आहे. सो now you tell me value of alpha is 0, beta is 1, so y is equals to e raised to 0x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Very good. So we will get the equation y is equals to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Is it okay? Now suppose this is equation number 6. आता पहा, now given that y of 0 is equals to 0 and y of pi by 2 equals to 1, so therefore y of x is equals to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, so y of 0 is equals to c1 cos 0 plus c2 sin 0. Y of 0 is given, 0 is equals to c1 into cos 0 means 1 plus c2 means 0, so it will be c1 is equals to 0. Also again we have given y of pi by 2, बरोबर आहे का रे स्टुडंट्स, y of pi by 2 which is equals to c1 cos pi by 2 plus c2 sin pi by 2. So y of pi by 2 which is equals to y of pi by 2 ची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे. व्हॉट इज दॅट व्हॅल्यू? y of pi by 2 is equals to 1. So replace this 1. c1 means 0 into cos pi by 2 plus c2 into 1. So c2 is equals to 1. Therefore put in 6. So we get y of x is equals to, or we can write y, c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So y of x is equals to 0 into cos x plus 1 into sin x. So y is equals to sin x. See this is the required this is the required curve which satisfies the given functional, which satisfies the given functional. अशा पद्धतीने हे आपण सॉल्व करू शकतो. दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन विच सॅटिस्फाईज द गिवन फंक्शनल. समजला का रे स्टुडंट? तुम्हाला हा प्रॉब्लेम समजला का? ओके. आता बरेचसे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत, बरेचशा टर्म्स आहेत, खूप आहेत प्रॉब्लेम. आता या पद्धतीचे तुम्हाला मी होमवर्क देतो. यू हॅव टू सॉल्व धिस होमवर्क. Homework. See this, you have to solve the homework regarding this. First, j of y of x which is equals to integral from 0 to 1 y dash square plus 4x into y dx. Second, j of y of x is equals to integral from 0 to 1 y dash square plus 16x square y dx. थर्ड, j of y of x is equals to, हा कंडिशन इथं प्रत्येकाच्या कंडिशन आहेत पहा. y of 0 is equals to 0, y of 1 is equals to 1, y of 0 is equals to 0, y of 1 is equals to 1. These are the extreme conditions. Third, j of y of x which is equals to integral from 0 to 1 y dash square minus 2 sin x into y dx. y of 0 is equals to 0, y of pi by 2 equals to 1. And the fourth, आता फोर्थल्या j of y of x is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2. हा इथं पाय बाय 2 घ्या, 0 to pi by 2. इथं इंटिग्रेशन 0 to pi by 2 घ्या, बाउंड्री कंडिशन दिलेले. सो 0 to pi by 2 y dash square minus 4 into y square dx. y of 0 is equals to 0, y of pi by 2 equals to 1. ओके, सोडवतात ना हे चारही प्रॉब्लेम प्रत्येकाने सॉल्व करायचं. होमवर्क प्रत्येकाने करणं गरजेचं आहे. यू हॅव टू सॉल्व धिस प्रॉब्लेम. सोडवतात का? सुजाता, मयुरी गोरे, ओम मिटकरी, नवीद खान, वैभवी पवार, भाग्यश्री देवके. यू हैव टू सॉल्व. ये देखो अभी ये सभी को ये सब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. होमवर्क के साथ असाइनमेंट भेजना है, डायरेक्ट असाइनमेंट नहीं भेजना है. ओके, ठीक है ना? सौरभ वाडे, गजानन हिंगमिरे, ओके, ठीक है. नाउ वी शैल स्टॉप हियर. पूजा आटोळकर, अनिता, ऋषिकेश, अंजली, अमोल थावारे, ओके.